This is one of the largest children's museum in the UK. Come take a look.
Soundgarden ku chunia hei ukhuma ludon ne kani hi
Marley, after you finish that one, you have to stop, okay? Because the boy wants his turn.
That's Molly's butterfly. Are you not Molly anymore?
No, I'm Ladybug. I'm boy Ladybug.
All right.
Yes, 122 centimeters. Look! I can reach 122 centimeters.
What's he doing? Oh, that's such a big one. What's that, man? Oh, that's his shoe. Oh my goodness.
Mommy, can you put this two back on me?
Look, there you go.
Take your teeth out.
Is it toes? Okay. Take the teeth out, man.
Okay. I'm gonna rip your teeth out.
No. You just take the toe. We're gonna do the tidy up again. We're gonna clean up again.
After that, take her teeth out. Brutally. Rip it out.
Okay, it's all done.
I
You
don't
wanna get the
do it.
sticker? You wanna get the sticker? Here's your sticker.
Did you know that it turns red if you touch it? It turns red if you touch it. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
What is that?
If I touch it, it'll glow bright. If I
Okay.
don't touch it, it doesn't glow bright. So I'm
Okay.
gonna start again.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. No, I touched
Oh no. Jump, Daddy. That's the biggest monkey I've seen.
Today, me and Miles are going shopping for Mother's Day. We're gonna buy flowers, right? Okay, let's find some big flowers. You hold it, okay? I think Mommy loves an avocado. Thank you. I think this is cheese.
You want this one?
These aren't the real ones, but it looks so cute. I don't know. Oh, look! Cinnamon porridge! And granola. Macaroni cheese. Let's buy this for Mommy. Mommy loves macaroni. Okay, this looks really cool on you. Ooh, you're gonna look so beautiful. Okay. Molly's a beautiful banana.
Kay po at taka mo kalaw tiyalin. Biglaw nilik. Koysa fruit na. Koysa inan siyam.
You have anything to pay about? What?
Oh no, both bars completely stick together with each other.
Look, I got the money, Oh.
That's a pumpkin.
This is Cinderella's. Oh. You need to try the combination of.
Hey Prince Charles sakut nu ani hi kut niak